Okay, good morning children. Today we are going to start new chapter, the chapter 21, Neural Control and Coordination. Control and coordination you already studied in class 10, and there we have studied that it is an ability of organisms or it's of an individual to control his body for its own function as he want. Like if I want to move my hand, I want to move my lips, I want to speak something, I want to see something, so I have to show or do certain kind of movement. These are the movement which are voluntary movement. At the same time, there are some movement which are taking place involuntarily, like the heart is beating, the breathing is taking place. There are other parts of the body like digestion is taking place. Even in small children, the urination is also involuntary. So there are number of other activities which are involuntary, like the change of the pupil size and all. There are many activities in our body which are not under our conscious control. There are several activities in our body which are under our control. All these activities which are taking place in our body are well coordinated. So there are two words, that is the control and coordination. Control is an ability of our body to have a check when they want to carry out a particular function or when they not want to carry out a function. If I want to move my hand, I will move. If I don't want to move, I will not. If I want to speak, I will speak. If I don't want, I can't speak. I will not speak. Okay. So there are several activities which are taking place in our body which are according to our need, and we have an ability to control it. Okay. There are some activities which we are not controlling directly, but our bodies, these activities are going on as per our body's requirement. So whatever activities are there in our body, they all are well controlled. Control is an ability to start a process or stop a process or increase or decrease the rate of a process. Four things are included in control. The word control has initiation, inhibition, increase and decrease. Okay? Four things are there. So to start any process or to stop any process, I want to go this direction, I want to go that direction, I want to move fast, I want to move slow, I want to not move, I just want to sit. All these are control. At the same time, there is another word called coordination. Now word coordinate, that is the word coordination means to coordinate, that is the working together. Who is working together? At any moment there are several parts of our body are working together. There may be organ systems. Say for example, when somebody is dancing, when somebody is swimming, somebody is taking part in any games, or somebody is simply running, or even when somebody is standing, like when I am standing in front of you. So at this moment all the muscles in the legs, all the muscles of my backbone, all the muscles of my hands, all these are well coordinated. At the same time when I am speaking, so the coordination is there between the lips and the tongue and the other parts of the body. Okay? So they all are working together, and when they will work together, then only a particular function can be achieved. So and not a single function is there which can be achieved by one simple muscle or one simple organ. Okay? Even one organ includes so many different type of muscles. Okay? Now when an organ wants to work, or when an organ has to perform any activity, it includes several tissues. Suppose this is my palm and I want to contract or relax. So there are so many tissues are active, functioning together. There is bones, that is the skeletal system, connective tissue. There are blood which is connective tissue. There is epithelial tissue, then muscular tissue, okay, and the nervous system itself. So they all are working together. So there are several tissues are taking part. Then each tissue is made up of thousands and thousands of cells. So each cell is taking part. Then each cell has got several cell organelles present in it. All those cell organelles are also working together. Suppose the mitochondria says, what we have to do? We will take a rest. Then how will we get energy? How will we be able to do work? Suppose the vacuole says, what we have to do with the movement? Then where the waste will go, or where the other metabolic activities which are taking place in the cell will go. ठीक है. Suppose the ribosome says what we have to do with the movement, then how the proteins which are required, there are number of cells which are dying, they have to be replaced, there are some other parts where some new proteins are required, where these will come from, where the enzymes will come from. So all these cell organelles even have to work together. So when we say coordination, it doesn't merely means that we are having several organ systems working together. Even organ tissue systems are made up of several organs. Then when I have to perform digestion, that is when I eat food, so the tongue, teeth, salivary glands, lips, and all these things are working together. Then esophagus, swallowing process, then the stomach and the duodenum and the liver and the gastric glands and what you call pancreas and the small intestine, large intestine, rectum, all these are involved. Then only a process of digestion will be able to take place. Now, so many organs. Now, each organ are made up of number of tissues. Each tissues are made up of number of cells, and each cell is made up of number of cell organelles. All of these are working in a coordinated manner. None of them are increasing their rate other than the others, or not decreasing. Now, suppose I want to run. There should be a pace between my left leg and right leg and left hand and right hand. Okay. At the same time, my eyes should also aim which direction I am moving. My ear should be open so that I may always be aware that is there any danger, some animal or is barking or some people are calling me, or not. All those things should also be. So there are so many things which are working together. Okay, and there is a working also in a coordinated fashion as it required. You see, when you are sitting, you may be breathing somewhere about 12 to 13 or 14 or 15 times per minute. But no sooner you start walking, no sooner you start climbing stairs, when no sooner you start running, your breathing rate automatically increases. Who has sent the signals to the breathing system? Because when we want to run, when we want to do any activity, the energy requirement is more. There is more energy will be produced by more number of mitochondrial activity, and mitochondria require oxygen, and the oxygen is actually a function of respiratory system. So the respiratory system will provide more oxygen. Now who is sending signal? Who is sending signal to the mitochondria to produce more ATP? Who is sending signal to the lungs to produce increase the rate of breathing, and more oxygen can come and more carbon dioxide can diffuse out. All these are the function of coordination. So an animal or a plant or any living organism is living only because of this control and coordination. Has this ability not there, no one would have ever survived. So survival is made possible only because of the combined action of all these things. Now, how will we achieve? How will we achieve control and coordination? There are two types of systems which are responsible for control and coordination. They are control and coordination. They are two types, that is neural control and coordination. At the same time, the second one is endocrinal control and coordination. Okay? So there are two types of control and coordination. Now the simple thing anybody will ask, now if there is one system working, then what is the need of other one? One minute. Anybody simply ask a question, if there is one system is working, then what is the need of another system to perform the same type of activity? But there is a need. Say for example, the legs are there in the bird, then what is the need of wings? So legs will help them to stand, to walk, and to grip or to catch something and all. But at the same time, wings has got greater importance, that is, they will help them to fly, to reach certain distances in a shorter period of time, or they can escape themselves from the predators by going themselves in the air and all. So the walking system, that is the legs, has its own importance, and the wings has got their own importance. Similarly, the nervous system has got its own importance, and the endocrinal system has got its own importance. Now, the two of these cannot be interchanged, or they cannot be replacing each other. The control and coordination by the nervous system is equally important as the control and coordination. 1 minute, who is there? Okay, so the nervous neural control and coordination cannot be replaced by the hormonal or endocrine control and coordination, and endocrine control and coordination cannot be replaced by the neural control and coordination, because each one of them having their own importance. Let us describe in this chapter about the neural control and coordination. So we will see that what way the neural control system is different from the endocrine control system. Neural control system is having its own importance. Like if we can compare the mode of communication, we got telephone lines, landlines, which are commonly known as landline, and we got the mobile. Or in place of mobile, you can even say like letters, chitti, which you used to post. Now, the neural control and coordination can be compared by the landlines, where the two people who want to communicate with one another are connected by means of wires. And no sooner you dial a number here, the person who is sitting on the other side get the ring. Whatever you talk here, the other person is listening. Remember, I am talking about the landline, not about the mobiles. Okay, so the other person instantly listening. There is a communication, there is a contact. Okay? The controller and effector are connected by means of nerves. Okay? So that is one advantage. Second advantage क्या है neural control coordination का? That the impulse or information can pass in the two directions, that is from the brain to the hand and from hand to the brain. First hand to brain, mosquito आके बैठा hand पे, the information is passed from hand to the brain that there is a mosquito sitting on my hand, left hand, right hand, which part and all. All those informations are immediately passed to the brain, and brain immediately processes and asks what has to be done. The action. Okay? So the control and coordination by nervous system provide the two-way interaction. Okay, that is not there in the endocrine control and coordination. Third, two-way flow of information. तीसरा, ऊपर लिख देता हूँ, झूठना मना है. Third, the information passes instantly. No time waste. Instant. You are going at a speed of 100 km, 60 km, or 40 km. You must have seen those people who are taking part in the races, the bike race. I was seeing other day. On the roads, in Italian roads, Italy mein, the people are standing in front of their houses or in front of the railings and all, and they are just seeing, and the bikes are going at a speed of 300, 280, 270 km per hour. You can imagine per second they are moving at 60 meters or more. 60 meters, 1 second. And now see how fast they are calculating everything. Instantly, they have to see where the road. Instant calculation is done. How I have to turn, how I have to twist, where I have to shift my weight, where I have to decrease speed, where I have to increase speed, where I have to apply brake, where I have to on connector system and all. Okay? Where the balance changes, suppose suddenly he gets imbalanced, then how instantly he manipulates it. It's often how it happens with us also. when we are walking and suddenly we slip, and we see within no time our body balances itself. And oh, thank God I saved. ठीक है, आज तो सर खुल ही जाता. So how instantly all these things are done. When you see someone who is standing in the slip in the cricket field, there is maybe a gap of 2 meters, and the ball is coming with a speed of around 140 km/h. यहाँ से यहाँ ना 2 मीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने में हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक? अंश कैलकुलेट करके देखना. 140 की स्पीड से द बॉल इज कमिंग, हाउ मच टाइम विल इट टेक टू कवर ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2 meters, and how instantly it catches. Wicket keeper instantly changes the direction. Most of the time it goes wrong, but yet. So these are some of the examples I said. When you want to kill a mosquito, you are bringing your hand with the full speed and mosquito goes away, and most of the time you are simply clapping. All these are the instant, so instant that you yourself get surprised. इतनी जल्दी, ठीक है? So that is another important function of the neural control and coordination, है ना? Next है the impact lasts for a fraction. The impact lasts for a fraction of a second. If you remember other day I was telling you, मैंने आपको बताया था that is a bumblebee, how many times it fluttered its wings, and we found somewhere of 500 times or 1000 times something. Anyway, you can Google it. So suppose it has to flutter its wing 1000 times up and down in a second. How many times it has to change the direction? So how fast the impulse should remain there? If you had to clap, now how will you clap? How many times you will clap in a minute? That you cannot calculate. What you can do is you can just fix this the same clock, and 15 seconds now how many times it claps, that you notice. And then you notice that how many times did you clap. That means in a second how many times did you change the direction. That means how less time the impulse was there, that is that impact was there. So how fast the impulse is to travel. That means if I have to hold this chalk in my hand, before the first impulse die, I have to bring the second impulse to hold the pencil chalk. That is, see, impulse contraction or whenever any function is taking place, we are asking the muscles to contract. And soon it will come back to normal. Contract, soon it will come back to normal. That is, there is elasticity. No muscles are always kept to be contracted or relaxed state. They are always in a semi-contracted state. आप खड़े रहते हैं तो ऐसे रहता है, ढीले डाले, कोई एकदम तनके नहीं खड़ा रहता, तो आप देख लीजिए जैसे, एंड कोई बिल्कुल करंट भी नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है? We are always in a semi-contracted state. Hands when are there, palm is there, so it remains like this way. No one keep his hands like this. No one keep his palm always, fist always closed. It is not there. So the muscles are in semi-contracted state. Means ये इसकी resting position. Now suppose I want to contract it. Again, within a fraction of second, it want to come back to normal speed. So that means before the first impulse die, I will have to send the second impulse. Before the first impulse die, I have to send the second impulse. आपके पास, जैसे for example, you got a rotating wheel, which is having some pedals, and you got a tap here. And you open the tap such that one by one drop comes, और इसको आपने बिल्कुल one drop comes, it will move here, then this part will come here, again the second drop will come, so it will take time. If you want it to continue to rotate, what we have to do is we have to increase the number of drops. Then also there will be lag between the first movement and second movement. Then what we have to do is we have to flow the water continuously. So there should be a continuous movement of flow of impulse from the brain to the muscle, and then it will remain contracted. But muscle doesn't have that ability. Muscle को तो आदत क्या है, उसको वापस relax होना है. That is why when we were studying about the movement, then we studied that when the muscles remain contracted for a long time, it leads to tetany. ठीक है? That is fatigue, है ना? तो वो tetanus मतलब tetany हो जाता है. It's not tetanus. Tetanus is a disease. Tetany is an effect. Next thing, nervous system. The impact is pinpointed. Where you want to carry a function or change or movement or things. If you get a mosquito bite here, which I had just few minutes back, when I entered in the classroom, I could see and I was just doing this. So that mosquito bit me. Till now I got pain, and I know where exactly it must have bit, because I know where exactly I am getting pain. So the impact of the nervous system is pinpointed. What has to be done? When this finger has to move, I can move only this finger. I will not move any other part of the body. If I had to, some Priya, she used to close one eye and another eye. Whatever we want to carry out, if I want to move my thumb, I can move my thumb. तो pinpointed है, मेरे को क्या करना है? What I have to do, that I can perform. Now comes to the nervous system. We got still time? हाँ, 2 minutes है. इसके तरफ. If I take the control coordination by the nervous system, the first thing, the controller and effector are not connected. There is no connection. It is just like a newspaper coming to our house. Now the paper, what has been printed, so from the printer or from paper agency to my house, there is no connection. One fellow will come and throw the paper and go out. Or rather, you can also consider it just like a chitti, postman, or you can consider it just like a FM radio. He is sending the information. It is going. It is in air. जिसको सुनना है सुने, जिसको नहीं सुनना है नहीं सुने, जिसको सुन के काम करना है करे, जिसको नहीं करना है ना करे. Okay, so it is not connected by means of nerve or by wires or by any other things. The information are flowed all over, everywhere. Now it has the target organ to receive it, and only target organ will receive and show the impact. The other organs will not be affected. ठीक है? Newspaper where like FM radio, it announces, suppose the 10th class board exams of this year will be held in the month of April, 15th April, first paper. What you will be worried about? You are not in 10th class, or your seniors who are in 10th class, they will also be not affected. Those who have children are yet to join school or class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th again, they will also be not worried. Those who are not married, they will also not be worried. Those who are not have children, they will also not be worried. Who will be worried? For whom the information is? Only those children who are in class 10th and those parents whose children are in class 10th, they will be worried of who? Exam. For rest, all this is of no use. So that there is no pinpoint flow of information. It is going everywhere. Now you want, you catch it, you receive it. Now, two-way information, of course not possible. Hormonal system will not send two-way information. Hormonal system is always sending information from the endocrine gland to the effector. Okay. There is no way effector can, the receptor can send its information to the hormones. That is always done by the nervous system. Okay? The third thing, instant, it takes its own time. Hormones will take its own time. And once it is secreted, it will be secreted into the blood and it will reach to the target organ, and target organ will slowly receive it and then it will respond by the time सपोज क्रिकेट खेलना था, हार्मोन से होना था, तो बॉल तो यहाँ पे लग जाएगी, 6 दांत नीचे भी आ जाएंगे, देन ऑल्सो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू रेस्पॉन्ड इट. ठीक है, सो दिस इज इंस्टेंटली दैट टेक्स इन सम टाइम. देन नेक्स्ट, impact lasts for a fraction of second in case of nervous system, but the impact lasts for longer duration in the hormonal system, because hormone, suppose today the hormone is secret, tomorrow its function is to be stopped, the next set of the hormone has to reach there. So I said the flow of information, the flow of hormones, it itself will take time, secretion will also take time, they will get the information from the nervous system, that will take time, all those things are taking time, so it will require minimum 1 to 2 minutes time. It cannot be as swift, as fast, as instant as this thing, and their impact will also, of course, according to the impact, will also last for longer. So once the hormone secreted for the metastasis, so it will remain for long. ठीक है, and they are not pinpointed. ये कहाँ चला गया? Hormonal systems are not pinpointed. Rather, often they have got large areas to show function. ठीक है, तो that's the introduction of the chapter which we are done today, and by this I think it is very much clear to you that what is the need of nervous control and coordination, whereas the hormonal control and coordination is found right from the lowest organism to the most advanced organism like human being. But the nervous control and coordination is come only and only after what you call the first time little bit in developed system is comes wherever in the nematode or rather arthropod, annelida. Even in the coelenterate the neurons are there, but they are in the form of plexus. Okay, so even if we talk about this, they are found. Now amoeba doesn't have any nervous system, or paramecium or euglena, they don't have. And plants doesn't have any nervous system, and any lower organism, fungi and all, they don't have a nervous system, yet they are controlling their body because of hormones are there. Okay, so the endocrine system which is secreting hormone is primitive, that is found even in the lowest of lowest organ to the highest of highest organ. That's all, children. Thank you. Good day.